So before we start looking into pandas, let's have a quick look into file input output. For this, we will use open function. It returns a file object and is used to read or modify the file accordingly. So in this case, we are opening the file and then the handle is my file. Then let's print this handle my file and also the type. So as you will see, the type here is, text IO wrapper. So this represents that now we have opened the file. Now, in order to manipulate it, we can use multiple modes. For example, we can use R mode for reading, W for writing, X only for creation. So that way we can use different modes based on what exactly we want to do with the file. So we have multiple files on our system, say fruits.csv, hello.txt. So let's open them. So hello.txt says hello world. This is the first time we are reading from a file in Python. Oops, there's a typo. Let me correct it. We are okay. So this is good. And similarly, we have fruits.csv, which has couple of name, color, seed of different fruits. So let me close this. Now we are going to open these two files and read it. So we will say open hello.txt and we will use R mode, which means we are going to read the file. Next, we are going to read a CSV file. Syntax remains the same. Only thing is, rather than hello.txt, we are going to say fruits.csv. And I've already run the code. So you can see it says, oops, sorry, we have made a couple of changes. So it says, hello world, this is the first time we are reading from a file in Python. And then fruit.csv, whatever we have read, same thing is being printed here. So this is a very simple way to read from a file. You can try other modes, but in the interest of time, I'm skipping for now. There are a couple of useful methods, for example, close, flush, read, readable, which you can apply on this handle. So for example, we have F1 as an handle for file hello.txt. So once we have opened the file, say we can say f1.close, right? So this will close the file.